Today, I'm going to show you how to install RAM on your motherboard. So, for this particular build, we have the Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 6400 MTS version of the RAM, 32 gigabytes. Let's absolutely get this installed. Get your RAM modules out. Be careful to not touch the gold leaf at the bottom. I'm wearing an anti-static wristband, so I should be fine, but as a general rule of thumb, you don't ever want to touch the gold at the bottom of your RAM modules. So, on my motherboard, you need to consult your motherboard manual. My motherboard had a link that took me to a YouTube video that said I need to put this RAM in slots 2 and 4. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Before you actually install your RAM, go ahead and pop open the clips on the slots that you're going to be installing the RAM at.